Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we take an in-depth look at the products you're curious about. Today, we're talking about a product that promises both convenience and power. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender MBPB50100W in white. If you're looking for a quick, compact, and portable blending solution for your busy lifestyle, this might just be what you need. Let's dive in to see how it stacks up. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender is designed to fit seamlessly into your on-the-go routine. It features a convenient handled flip and sip lid, which allows you to drink directly from the blender. No separate cup needed. This is perfect for when you're at the gym, in the office, or just running errands. The blender also comes with an infuser basket, letting you infuse your water with fruits or herbs for a refreshing, customized drink. At its core, this is about portability, and the design reflects that. The compact size ensures that it fits easily into your bag or car cup holder, making it ideal for travel. But how does it perform when it comes to blending? The Magic Bullet Portable Blender is equipped with enough power to handle 15+ blending cycles on a single charge. For a small, battery-powered blender, that's quite impressive. Whether you're making smoothies, protein shakes, or even blending up some fresh fruit-infused water, this little blender is designed to be both a time saver and an easy solution for quick, healthy drinks. From the moment I took this blender out of the box, the first thing that struck me was how easy it was to set up and use. The flip and sip lid is intuitive and makes sipping on the go a breeze. No spillage to worry about. The blender itself is lightweight and doesn't feel cumbersome, which is a huge plus when you're constantly on the move. In terms of blending power, I was able to whip up smoothies, shakes, and flavored waters without any issues. The motor is strong enough to handle soft fruits like berries and even some leafy greens. However, I did notice that when I tried blending tougher ingredients like frozen chunks of fruit or ice, it struggled a bit. It's not a heavy-duty blender, but for everyday use, it's more than adequate. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender is incredibly portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Its compact size and handled lid make it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. The battery life is also a standout feature, offering more than 15 blending cycles per full charge, which is quite efficient for a product of this size. The ability to infuse water with fruits and herbs is also a nice touch, adding an extra layer of versatility. On the downside, the blender isn't designed for heavy-duty tasks. If you're someone who blends tougher ingredients on a daily basis, you might find it lacking in power. Also, the small size means that you won't be able to make large batches, so it's more suited for single servings rather than making drinks for multiple people. When it comes to value for money, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender delivers decent value given its size and capabilities. It's priced at a point where it's accessible for most people, but it's important to remember that this isn't a high-performance blender. If you're looking for something that can handle tougher blending jobs, you might want to consider other options. But for those seeking convenience, portability, and a simple way to make smoothies or flavored water, it's hard to beat. Comparing it to other portable blenders on the market, the Magic Bullet holds its own in terms of price and features. Some competitors might offer more power, but they also tend to be bulkier or pricier. What sets this apart is its ease of use and compactness. If you need something that's easy to carry around and doesn't take up too much space, it does its job quite well. However, if you're after a more robust blending experience, you might want to explore blenders with more powerful motors. As for build quality, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender feels solid for its size. The materials are durable, and the design is streamlined and functional. Given that it's a portable device, it seems like it could handle regular use, but keep in mind that, like with all portable electronics, it's important to treat it carefully. Over time, the wear and tear from frequent travel or rough handling could take a toll on its appearance, but as long as you take care of it, it should last. In terms of customer support, I haven't had any direct interactions with the brand's customer service, but based on the brand's reputation, Magic Bullet is known for providing decent support. They have a history of responding promptly and resolving issues efficiently, which is reassuring for any potential buyers. While this product doesn't require much support, it's good to know that the brand stands behind its products. Wrapping up, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender MBPB50100W is a solid choice for anyone who needs a quick, convenient blending solution on the go. It's lightweight, easy to use, and delivers on its promise of portability and versatility. However, it's not the most powerful blender out there, and its size limits its capacity for larger servings or tougher ingredients. If you're looking for a portable, easy-to-use blender for simple drinks like smoothies or flavored water, it's definitely worth considering. For heavier blending tasks, you may want to explore other options. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Magic Bullet Portable Blender, you can find the link in the comments box below. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions if you've already tried it out. Until next time, stay refreshed, and as always, keep it tuned to Reviews Inside TV.